What's your plan for keeping your business data safe and recoverable? If you're not sure, you're not alone. Hey there, Chris from Wonders here. In this video, I'll break down easy to implement strategies for protecting your valuable business information, whether you're a solo entrepreneur or running a medium-sized company. Let's start with why backups are so important. In our increasingly digital world, your data is your lifeline. We're talking about everything from customer information and financial records to critical business documents. Now imagine losing all that in an instant due to hardware failure, a natural disaster, or a cyber attack like ransomware. It's a scenario that can cripple or even end a business. That's where a solid backup strategy comes in. So what exactly are we backing up? Well, pretty much everything. Desktops and laptop computers, on-site servers, both physical and virtual, cloud-based virtual machines, and even cloud services like Microsoft 365 and Google Workspace. This means your emails, your documents, calendars, and other critical data stored in those platforms. Now let's talk strategy. For years, the gold standard has been the 3-2-1 backup strategy. Here's what that looks like. Keep at least 3 copies of your data. This includes your primary data and at least 2 backups. Store 2 backup copies on different storage media. This could be a combination of internal drives, external drives, or network-attached storage. Keep 1 copy off-site for disaster recovery. This could be in the cloud or another physical off-site location. Put simply, you should keep at least 1 copy of your data on-site and another copy in the cloud, in addition to the original. This approach ensures you're not putting all your eggs in one basket. It gives you multiple recovery options if something goes wrong, whether that's a local issue or a larger disaster affecting your primary location. But with the rise of cyber attacks like ransomware, we need to take this a step further. Cyber criminals are getting smarter, and they're now targeting backups too. So we need to add additional layers of protection. Ideally, you want at least 1 copy of your data to be completely isolated from your network. This could be an offline backup, or what we call an air-gapped backup. Think of this as a backup that's physically disconnected from your network and the internet when it's not actively backing up data. For smaller companies, this could be as simple as a rotating set of external hard drives that you back up to and then keep disconnected. So you might be thinking maintaining an air-gap solution might be challenging or costly for some businesses. That's where immutable or locked backups come in. This means that once data is written, it can't be changed or deleted for a set period. A number of modern backup solutions and destinations offer this feature, but you need to make sure it's properly configured for it to actually help. Another really important aspect of modern backup systems is verification. It's not enough to simply create backups. We need to make sure they're actually working and can be restored when needed. While many backup solutions offer automated checks, I strongly recommend regular human-led recovery testing. This hands-on approach ensures that your backups will truly be there when you need them most. Before we dive into specific solutions, I want to acknowledge that there are many backup tools available on the market. Some may fit your company's systems better than others, or you might already have backup capabilities included in your existing tools. The solutions I'm about to recommend are my favorites. They're systems and tools that have proven effective for many of my clients. But definitely always consider your specific requirements and existing infrastructure when making a decision. Now let's dive into some of the practical details of implementing these backup strategies. I'm going to break this down based on business size and needs. Let's start with smaller companies with just a few computers. For on-site backups, you can start with an external hard drive. Both Windows and Mac OS have built-in tools that make this easy. You could rotate between 2 drives, keeping one off-site for added protection. For the cloud copy, I recommend using Backblaze Computer Backup. It's an affordable service with options to pay monthly or annually per computer. It also offers version history, which can help protect you against ransomware. It can allow you to roll back to unaffected versions of your files. This setup can work great for freelancers or very small teams, but if you're managing more systems or have servers or cloud services to back up, you might need to level it up. Now let's look at a setup for small and medium businesses. This one assumes you have a physical location where you could securely run a NAS or server. For on-site backup, consider either a Synology NAS or a system or server running Veeam software. For the cloud copies, both of these solutions can automatically push your data to cloud storage. While they support big names like AWS and Azure, I often recommend Backblaze B2 for its cost effectiveness. Let's compare the Synology and Veeam options. Synology creates NAS or network-attached storage devices that come loaded with their own software suite. This includes a variety of powerful backup tools that can help us meet our data protection goals. Veeam, on the other hand, makes backup software that can run on hardware we build ourselves, buy pre-built, or even run in the cloud. It's super flexible and packed with features for backing up all sorts of systems and data. Synology NAS is generally more user-friendly and cost-effective, making it great for smaller businesses. One significant advantage it has is that Synology doesn't require licensing per system or cloud account being backed up. It's all included with the NAS device. Additionally, Synology offers built-in support for backing up Google Workspace. Currently, Veeam doesn't offer direct backup for Google Workspace, though it does support Microsoft 365 and other cloud platforms. While Synology does offer solutions that can scale to larger businesses, companies with more complex needs and larger budgets often prefer the advanced toolset provided by Veeam. But keep in mind, Veeam does require licensing per system or account that you're backing up. But they do offer some helpful pricing options for companies just getting started with smaller setups. And both solutions can work with the immutability or locking options from the cloud providers, which adds the extra layer of protection against ransomware and similar threats. Now let's consider companies that are fully remote or distributed, with no physical location, or those that run all their systems exclusively in the cloud. For individual computers, the Backblaze computer backup we looked at earlier is still a great option. It offers enterprise group management features to help you scale this option. And this can be combined with file syncing services for Google Workspace or Microsoft 365, which offer a level of redundancy for your files. But to make sure you're following the 3-2-1 strategy, it's crucial to add another layer of protection with cloud-to-cloud backup tools. This means backing up your cloud apps and services like Google Workspace or Microsoft 365, or even your cloud servers to one or more other cloud providers. And like everything else, there are a number of options available for this. Veeam, for example, offers cloud-to-cloud backup solutions that can protect your data across some cloud platforms. Finally, consider adding one or more trusted locations where local backups of critical data can be stored as a fallback. For some companies, this could be on encrypted NAS devices at key team members' homes. And for other companies, this may need to be a trusted co-location facility. In either case, this can provide faster access for larger stores and an extra layer of control over your data. These tools and strategies can help you back up your cloud-based email, documents, and other data to separate locations, giving you that crucial additional copy of your data in different systems. Remember, even if your data is in the cloud, it's still important to make sure it's properly backed up and recoverable. To wrap up, the best backup strategy is the one that you actually implement and maintain. Start where you are and use what you have, or start simple and improve over time. Your future self and your business will thank you when the unexpected happens. Now, I know this all can seem a bit overwhelming, especially if you're just starting to think about comprehensive backup strategies. That's where I can help. We'll start by assessing your current backup situation and needs. We'll determine which of these solutions will fit your business best. Or we can design and implement a custom backup strategy tailored to your specific requirements. Then, once we choose a solution, I can assist you in configuring and setting it up. And when you're ready, I can help you integrate this backup strategy into a broader security plan for your business. Whether you just need help with one aspect of your backup strategy, or you're looking for end-to-end support, I'm here to guide you through the process. You can find me on LinkedIn, or get in touch with me through the contact page on my website. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.